Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the top leaders in India, including the President, Prime Minister, and key ministers. Let's dive in. President of India. Name: Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu, the first person belonging to a scheduled tribe to hold the office, assumed office on 25 July 2022. Before becoming president, she served as the governor of Jharkhand. Prime Minister of India. Name: Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi has been the Prime Minister since May 2014. He is the leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, and is known for his initiatives like Make in India, Digital India, and Swachh Bharat. Vice President of India. Name: Jagdeep Dhankar. Formerly the governor of West Bengal, Jagdeep Dhankar assumed office as Vice President on 11 August 2022. Minister of Home Affairs. Name: Amit Shah. Amit Shah, a key figure in the BJP, has been the Home Minister since 2019. He has played a crucial role in the abrogation of Article 370 and the introduction of the Citizenship Amendment Act. Minister of Defence. Name: Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh, a senior BJP leader, has been the Defence Minister since 2019. He previously served as the Home Minister and is known for his strong stance on national security. Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs. Name: Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman has been the Finance Minister since 2019, becoming the first full-time female Finance Minister of India. She is known for her work on the Union Budget and economic reforms. Minister of External Affairs. Name: Dr. S. Jaishankar. A seasoned diplomat, Dr. S. Jaishankar has served as the External Affairs Minister since 2019. He was previously the Foreign Secretary of India and played a key role in shaping India's foreign policy. Minister of Road Transport and Highways. Name: Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari is known for his work in infrastructure development, particularly in expanding India's road network. He has been in this role since 2014. Minister of Railways and Communications. Name: Ashwini Vaishnaw. Ashwini Vaishnaw, a former IAS officer, has been responsible for modernizing India's railway infrastructure and improving digital communication since 2021. Minister of Education. Name: Dharmendra Pradhan. Dharmendra Pradhan has been in charge of the Ministry of Education since 2021. He has also served as the Minister of Petroleum, Natural Gas and Skill Development. Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Name: Mansukh Mandavia. Mansukh Mandavia took over as the Health Minister in 2021 and has since been at the forefront of managing India's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Name: Bhupender Yadav. Bhupender Yadav has been handling this portfolio since 2021 and is known for his work on environmental conservation and climate change policies. Minister of Women and Child Development. Name: Smriti Irani. Smriti Irani, a prominent BJP leader, has been instrumental in policies related to women's empowerment and child welfare. She previously held the portfolio of Human Resource Development. Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Name: Narendra Singh Tomar. Narendra Singh Tomar has been focused on improving the conditions of farmers and agriculture in India through various government schemes and reforms. Minister of Commerce and Industry. Name: Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal has been leading the Commerce Ministry since 2019, working on trade agreements, exports, and industrial growth in India. Thanks for watching part 1 of our series on India's key leaders. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue exploring more important figures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.